What's up? This is Scotty here with Southern Off-Road. Got another Segway UT10 we've customized. 2024 Segway UT10 Premium. This is the Cruise, so it's 6-seater. We added the Segway heavy-duty front bumper and front rack. Unbuckles right here on both sides. And then tilts up, so you got extra storage up front with the rack itself, but it tilts up so you can access anything here under the panel. The rack kit does come with a heavy-duty front bumper to attach to, so the standard front bumper comes off, the heavy-duty front bumper goes on. The winch that comes with the machines gets swapped over to the heavy-duty front bumper. Super ATV flip-up windshield, Life Outdoors curved light bar, LED light bar. The LED light bar is tied in with the wiring to the high beam circuit, part of that kit. So when you have your headlights on, you flip them to the high beam, the light bar is going to come on. There is an option to do a standalone switch. If you want to do that, we can add a rocker switch, but this particular kit from Life Outdoors was the light bar, the brackets, and then the wiring kit to tie into the factory headlamps. We also did an LED headlight conversion. You flip the lights on real quick. It's really hard to tell here in the daytime, but it's an LED headlight conversion and the bulb conversion kit. So take out the factory halogen bulbs that come with the Segway UT10s and put in an LED headlight. We also added the turn signal kit from Segway. See the little flasher there on the dash. And then the turn signal here. So turn signal left and right side, along with hazard lights. So you get a new replacement multifunction switch, or the stalk here. Let's see, there's a little indicator on the dash. You get a hazard switch that goes here just under the tablet. Flip it on. See both the indicators there. So Segway turn signal kit. We also added the set of the Segway side mirrors and the Segway rear view mirror. Again, the Life Outdoors light bar. It's really hard to tell how bright this stuff is in the daytime, especially as sunny as it is. But LED headlights, LED light bar on top, rack system with the heavy duty front bumper, Super ATV front windshield. It is a flip up windshield. You got your latches here and one on the other side, and it'll flip up. These gas charged shocks that hold it up in place. Then we have the rear window, or the rear windshield from Super ATV. Keep the dust and debris in the back of the machine from getting into the cab. This one is sold. It is going out to a customer today. If you want to customize your Segway with us, let us know. Get us a list together. We can get everything financed in for you. So machine itself plus all your add-ons can be financed into the deal all at one time, so you can take it home ready to go, customized specifically for you, for your needs. Give us a call at the shop, 205-685-1911. You can email us at sales@southernoffroad.com or shop online at www.southernoffroad.com.